All right, so we just got the YABIFE after-sale service customer support at yabife.com multifunction hair trimmer. Let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, so we've got some importante stuff here. So you need to read that. It says Amazon sometimes sends returning items to other buyers. Okay, well, read through that and see. You can do a screenshot if you need to. Let's put that to the side. Here is a booklet on, I think, how to use it. So we may have to read through all that, but we'll put that over here for now. Here's a lifetime warranty. Oh, here's the booklet. This is the thing that's going to tell you how to use it. So you're definitely going to want to keep that. So you need to look at that. All right, so here it is. Let's see what's in here. Comes all wrapped up in this. Let's pop her out. Ooh, man, looks nice, huh? All right, so it's got a USB-C port, so we have to charge it. But man, it's nice. I gotta say, that's a really nice razor. It does come with a multitude of heads, as you can see. There's one. Put that back. Deuce. You can see the little clippers here, right? Let's put that back. I can get it in there. Oh, I gotta put it in this way. And then this one here. Check it out. I'm not sure what this does, but we're gonna have to figure all this out. You know, it's a learning process, I believe. How did I get this out of here? Is it like that? Oh, somehow it goes in here. I just pulled this out of here, right? Was it like that? Oh, maybe like this. I think it was sitting there like that. Okay. And then this one here is like a shaver, I think. Put that back. I think maybe this was, how the hell did this go in there? That is so weird that I can't figure that out. It did come out of this hole, didn't it? I mean, you guys, you saw that, right? Oh, there we go. That's how it was. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. What's this? All right, this is a guard. I think that's a bigger one. It's got the numbers here, so you gotta, let's look at this one here. There's a guard on there. It tells you the number. And we just keep going. And each one's different, right? But I think it's a pretty good little setup. Let me go ahead and open this up, because I know that there's something under here, right? So here is like, I think this is some kind of oil or something. And then maybe this is what we put everything in to, you know, to use it. It does comes with a USB-C, I do believe. Let's take a look. Whoops. Oh, we got a little, yeah, see, it's USB-C to regular USB. You need your own charging block, of course. And here's a little cleaner thing, so you can clean stuff. Look, it goes right here. Check it out. There's your little cleaner thing. Go right there. Set that there. And, oh, we get a comb with it. Nice. Look at that. A free comb. Of course, I don't know how you get it. Oh, here. Pop her out of there. Yeah. How's that grab you? Combage. All right, so that is the box. I think what we got to do is set up our, let's set that over here. And let's go ahead and set this since we got it, right? So I think it's different sizes going different things. So we've got to figure that out. Let's set that over there, set that there. I don't see a place for this. We'll put that over there. I think this, right off the bat, is going to go here, right? You just put that there. And then these, I think, probably go like this. You know what I mean? I'm just guessing that we're gonna put them in the kind of like the way they are inside of here. I would think, right? Like that? I don't know. We'll see. So these, oh, maybe it's like this. Yeah, here we go. Oh, like this. And then these would go in like that. Right? I'm guessing. You know, I'm kind of like, I'm guessing here. Yeah. I'm thinking that's how it goes. I could be wrong. Anyway, let's, you know, I mean, that fit, right? That kind of fit. So these have the little opening here, like right there, and this doesn't. But I think that these work with these and this. So, you know, I think what, you know, you're taking this, and this is a guard, and so it slides in there like that. You follow me? You know, and then look, it says beard. So that must be a beard one. And, but I'm gonna let my expert hair cutter explain it all to me. It does seem like it's got different, you know, values. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, it's already got a charge on it. Look, 100% charge. Huh. So that's how you do it, like that. And bam, Bob's your uncle. To charge it, I just gotta plug this bad boy in on the back and then plug it into a block and then plug it into the wall. But we'll show you how to do that. Let's set that there. And basically that's your trimmer, that's your unboxing, and that's your setup for your, you know, your system that holds it all together. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.